Hey guys, so this is Abhishek. Welcome to my channel. So I've just ordered a Honor View 20. I was really excited about this product. It's an awesome product to have. Hi everyone, this is Abhishek. I've just started my new channel and this would be my first video. So I was really excited about this product that you could see here in front of my camera. That's Honor View 20, and as you all know, it's a remarkable product and it's the sensation right now in the market. So I thought, like, why not just give it a try? Let me order that. So I ordered that on Amazon, and it was delivered to me the very next day. Thanks to Amazon. Their service, their delivery is just awesome. So here's the product. If you could see, just a second, I'm getting a call. So I'm back. So let's do the unboxing for this. Here's the knife. So as you see, this is Honor View 20. If I would be able to zoom it a bit. Okay, yeah, the focus is right now. See Honor View 20. You see in the packaging, you see that okay, it's octa-core CPU, 2 into 2.6 gigahertz, 2 into 11.92 gigahertz, 4 into 1.8 gigahertz. So it's octa-core processor. It has 6 GB RAM, and the set that I have has 128 GB ROM. And you see that it's a 16.2 centimeters display with 23:10 into 1080p display, and it's a 25 megapixel front camera shooter, and the back camera, oh, that's the front camera, and the back camera is like 48 megapixel with a 3D rear camera. Awesome to see that. It supports AI, it supports VoLTE 4G, it has a fingerprint sensor, and it has 4000 mAh battery, which is awesome. So I'm just doing this. Okay, done. So that's the phone. That's the box. The packaging looks pretty decent. Let's just unveil the stuff. Yeah, so here you go. That's the phone. As you could see, looks stunning, beautiful. Let me just take it out and see how does it look. Let me just zoom a bit so that you guys can get a better view of it. Yeah, so here is the phone. As you could see, that looks awesome. Just show you how that pattern looks. This looks awesome. Oh. It doesn't have the okay. I was expecting it to have a oh yeah, here is the pattern that you could see. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. You see that pattern? You see that? Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Looks awesome, right? You see those? That's beautiful phone. I can say that. I can feel it in the hand. It feels pretty awesome. The quality is superb, and there's a display cover. I don't want to take that out. Let me put the phone side and see what else we get in this box. That's the sticker or something, shit and all. This is SIM ejector tool, and we have a cover out of box. That's great. That's warranty card. Let me see how the cover looks like. Oh, it looks awesome. Pretty basic, but then it covers the phone. It gives enough support, as you can see here in this video. Good stuff. That's SIM ejector tool. What else we have in this box? Okay, a quick start guide, all that crap. Here is the charger. That's the talk of the town, I would say. See the video. As you can see, it is uh, 100 to 240 volt, 1.2 ampere charger. Output is 5 volt. It's a big charger. I think it's a fast charger. Yeah, that's the charger. And this is the cable that you're getting with this phone. Let me show you this one. So that's it's a USB type C, so it's great. Most of the phones nowadays coming out does have no headphones. As you can see, there are no headphones. I think that's all we have in this. Pretty much basic stuff that you need for the phone. Let me shoot this phone up. Let's see how it looks like. I'm powering it on. Okay, look at the Honor logo. That looks awesome. Yeah, phone is just booting up. A nice start screen as an Honor. Let's see how does it look like. The bullet camera. It doesn't have a notch, as you could see. It has a bullet dot, you can say, dot notch or bullet notch. That's what they call it. Okay, the video. Okay, now it focuses. Taking a time, guys. That's okay. It's normal. So that's what all the stuff that you are getting going to get, guys. If you order this product in India, Amazon, they have a fastest delivery, I could say. I saw it was shipped from Chennai Sapphire, and then I stay in Bangalore, so it was just a day time that it took, and then it was delivered to me. Let's see how does it go. It's taking a time, guys, I know. Let me keep it here. Let me zoom it a bit. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's booting. Awesome. The screen looks awesome, guys. I could say, I'm not sure this camera does justify what it is actually, but then the screen looks awesome, guys. English India. Get started. I am hungry. Then next. No SIM card. Skip that. Android phone. You can import it from. I wanna do it from iPhone, but then I just wanna show you guys. This is how phone looks. I will set it up sometime, and I'll give you my review after a day usage or a week usage mostly. It will take a week time to kind of understand how this phone works and what the other stuff related to this are, and then I'll be able to kind of create I'll making another video wherein I will go over this. But then, guys, this looks awesome. I could say that this looks pretty damn awesome. I just love this. Other stuff, I will let you know. I'll make another video, as you can see here. But this is what you're gonna get: a phone, charging cable, or that's a USB type C, and that's a charger, fast charger, I would say, and that's a SIM ejector tool. Then you get a case also with this phone, which is good to go because you need stuff to put in your phone, and then get a protection the day one. Otherwise you have to buy a case. You can't take phone outside, if you're worried, because it has a glass back. And then so that's all I have, man. Okay, do write a comment if you need any further information regarding this phone. I will anyway make a video. Thank you, guys. Bye, take care. I'm signing out.